Jewish day school when back in Chicago. Golan.
Go through there, you'll see big tanks over there. We're keeping the olive oil for the rest of the year. Each big tank contains 6 tons of olive oil, and from the right you'll see the cosmetic stand. Okay, right now we're going inside the store to take the olive oil.
Is that
like your big thing, like your hair?
No, over summer I didn't cut my hair once. I have pretty not long hair.
These people actually use these cosmetic products made of stuff that would otherwise pollute the environment and turn it into exfoliating creams and stuff. That's the Cliff Notes version of what was told to me when I came in here. So this is the gold medal stuff that they make only in Israel. I'm gonna get that. Get a little. Very good. This is the Tabha series. Olive oil, very good. Okay, I tried the olive lemon, I tried the olive garlic, I tried the olive basil, and the clear winner is the Tabha series. Or Tabha series. Wow. Tabha series, however you pronounce it. Tabha.